Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase a larger vivarium in Heartopia. Basically you're going to go to Naniwa here and you're going to go to the insect catching supplies. So I have the small vivarium. You can purchase the medium one, which I think you're able to store 2 insects, I think. Then we have the large one where you can store more than 2. I don't have 200 stars, so let's just purchase the medium one first. Wow, I just lost a lot of coins by purchasing that. And let's place it in our house and see what it looks like. Thankfully my house is very close, so we don't need to wait that far. Have to go that far. Let's see. Okay, it's very small. I'll have to okay, I'm gonna place this first and I'm going to remove these first as well. There we go. And place this instead. Okay. And then let's see how many insects we can place. So press this. Okay, I think we can place 2. Oh, we can place 3. Okay, so I don't need that one. Trunk. Okay, let's do this one. Complete. And this is what it looks like. Cute. I think I would kind of rotate it so we could see this instead, but I don't know how that will work. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!